This is the second work period in Vilanova. The reason was mostly come back and try to continue the link that we built with the fishermen and their families. For me, this residency and this time gave for me a new opportunity to not only invite fishermen to the theater, but in the other side. People that used to be in the theater, also to make the port as a theater. Is the source of the fish, is the source of food, and yeah, why not giving back also interest and focus and importance? Why not making that as the real deal artistic place? For me, the idea is to have a bridge through dance community here in Vilanova that also will create a bridge with their culture, so with the fishermen and their families and so on. So to create like a bridge that will create another one to bridge the gap. This piece called Dance House, dancing house, or in the house. It's about the music and it's about what make house, you and us, people and food. This project it's simply about three elements: food, dancing and music, the three together. It's a half an hour piece and the idea is to make a trio of three women, Eva plus Lucia and Deborah from Portugal, three fighters. The big essence I wanted to treat or explore in this piece is also how to make people with music, dancing and food made as an act of love to make people feel welcome at home. So yeah, in Vilanova it's to make also people through art and dance feel as well welcome in the fisherman place somehow. For the next step, I'm trying to develop small videos or small, let's say, dances from a community of dancers or not dancers, just to propose for us some hand moves that are inspired from personalities in their families, in their roots. This, we call it épicé chorégraphique, the choreographic spices, is to go through the cooking thing to find some dancing vocabulary, is to cook the dance, to cook it. When you move and you cook, you're making also the veins and the memory of your family and your roots in movement.
Avui hem vingut aquí amb un ambient una mica més personal. Hem fet un petit taller on hem fet com una espècie de joc de gestos de cuina que anàvem repetint amb el ritme.
Ha sigut una experiència molt innovadora. S'ha de viure, de moviments de persones que no són ballarins, es nutreixen i aconsegueixen fer un espectacle, una performance, que això és el que em resulta superinteressant. Juntar les tres comunitats amb els pescadors sortirà alguna cosa molt xulo, molt divertit.
We will play the show, but we will have with us all the traces and memories of people we met in Vilanova. And we will keep contact with the school of dance here, but also with some fishermen to propose maybe in October a kind of a gathering. We will make a program of food from the artists, from the company, and from also the fishermen. Music, party, and celebrate together, yes, because it's now or never.